What's up everyone, welcome back to Test and Review. In this channel, we share everything about cars, overlanding, and outdoor. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe us and turn the bell on so you can always see our updates. Recently, the weather in Los Angeles has been really nice. So I'm thinking about taking the top part of my Jeep off so I can go out for a ride without the hard top. And I actually tried to take the front part off a lot of times, and I only tried to take the back parts off once. I remember when I first bought this Jeep, the person who sold this Jeep to me told me that, oh, it's a little bit difficult to take the back parts, you better to have someone professional help you. But after I tried it for once, it is actually not that difficult. The whole Jeep is a little bit like a big toy. It's pretty easy to take it apart and then put it back together. So today I am going to take off the whole top part of Jeep. Believe me, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, let's jump right in. First, I'm gonna show you how to take the front part off. This is a very easy part. You don't need any tools to do it. So there are 6 parts that connect this to the car, and plus 2 big screws. So there are 8 pieces in total you need to work on in order to take this thing off. Okay, first, we need to take this down. And when you take this down, you can see, put this, and then here, it's like, turn it 90 degrees, so it's off. Okay, this, also turn it 90 degrees. This one is same on the other side, and this one in the middle, similar 90 degrees. 90 degrees as well. And finally, here, the big screw, you just unscrew it. If it's the first time you do it, it can be a little bit hard. But since I screw it several times, it's really easy to just loosen it. Here you go, there's the second one. Now, after you unscrew the 2 big screws and put all the knock on the unlock position, you are good to go. Ayo. Here you go. Dun dun! First piece down. Okay, now we're done with the top part. Let's work on the back part of my Jeep. With this part, it needs a little bit of skill, and it needs this very simple tools that came with Jeep. Basically, it's like a simple screwdriver that helps you unscrew all the screws that are in the Jeep. And there are 3 screws on each side that need to be taken off. Here we're gonna use this tool and this. Okay. Okay, 1 down. And here is the second one. Clock it here. 1 here. Okay, same on the other side. Same tool, same screw. Here is 1 more screw here that you need to open with this. Okay, ta-da! Okay, this part is connecting with your one brush, rim brush or whatever, the back system of your car, and this as well. So we need to disconnect both. You push the ride to the other side where you heard a click, and then you push this black part and it disconnect. Simple. And this is your water line. You just find this knob and squeeze both parts. and disconnect it. Now this is good to go. So now we took off the 2 screws on the top, 3 on each side, and we disconnect the water pipe and the window. Now the whole part is supposed to be disconnected. The only thing needs to be done is take it off your car. You can see it's oh yeah. I'm surprised by my strength. I might need a little help here.